Hello everyone. Today I will talk about the linear differential equation. So what is a linear differential equation? Actually linear differential equation is the part of the differential equation. Okay. So uh, the definition of linear differential equation is given by like this equation. Equation of the form. Yeah, equation of the form dy by dx plus px y is equal to qx. Basically the equation of this form is called the linear differential equation, where p and q is the function of x. Okay, so to solve this type of differential equation, we will let we will find the integrating factor, that is e to the power integration of p dx. Okay, that is p and dx. Okay, and the solution of this type of differential equation is given by like this y into integrating factor and integration of q, that is q into integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, so our equation can be also written in this form, like in this form it has mentioned like this dy by dx plus p x y is equal to qx, like this. Okay, so yeah, like dx by dy plus py x is equal to qy, like this. Our equation can be also written in this form. Then the integrating factor will be the e to the power p dy, and the solution will be the x into integrating factor and integration of q into integrating factor dy plus c. Okay, then the solution will be given by this formula. Okay, so now moving to solve some examples, like dy by dx plus y by x is equal to q square is equal to x square. Okay, so this example is in linear differential equation. How can you say that, sir? From this form, okay, dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx. Okay, so from this if you compare, then you will get p of x. It means p is equal to 1 by x and q is equal to x square. Okay, now what will be the integrating factor? Integrating factor for this type of differential equation is e to the power p dx, that is e to the power 1 by x into dx, and you know the integration of 1 by x is ln x. Okay, ln means log base e. Okay, and it is written like this e to the power log base e to the power x, and the property, by the property of log, e will be the cancel out and we will get x. Okay, so e will be the vanish. Okay, so we will get x. So integrating factor is x. Now solution, what will be the solution? Solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q, that is x square, into x dx plus c. Okay, so this will be the x into y, that is x cube. This is the x cube, and the integration of x cube is x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. This is the required answer for this differential equation. Okay, now moving to the next question. Yeah, so we have given let y is equal to y of x be the solution of differential equation. Okay, so and the differential equation is 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x, and they have given some initial condition y of 1 is equal to 0, then y of 0 is okay. So first write down this equation. So we will get 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x. Now divide by the 1 plus x square both side, then it will become dy by dx plus y by 1 plus x square is equal to e to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, so as you can see here, p is equal to 1 plus x square and q is equal to e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Okay, so how to solve this? For solving this differential equation, we need to find integrating factor, that is e to the power p dx. What is p? P is 1 plus x square dx. Okay, yeah, 1 plus x square dx, and from this is the e to the power tan inverse x. What is this? This is the formula, this is the integration of tan inverse x, and then the solution of this differential equation is given by how like, yeah, y into integrating factor, that is e to the power tan inverse x is equal to integration of what? Q, e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Okay, e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into integrating factor, that is e to the power tan inverse x dx plus c. Okay, so from this you can see this is the what? This is the okay, if we let tan inverse x is equal to t and then differentiate, then we will get 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. It means tan, this is the differentiation of tan inverse x. So we will let tan inverse x. Okay, so we have got this. Okay, so integration will be the e to the power t, that is into e to the power t, and this will be the dt, because dx by 1 plus x square is equal to dt, that is plus c. Okay, let me change the ink color. Okay, so it will become e to the power 2t dt plus c, and the integration of e to the power 2t is e to the power 2t by 2 y into e to the power tan inverse x. Okay, that is y into e to the power tan inverse x is equal to what? Okay, so is equal to e to the power 2t, that is e to the power 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c, e to the power tan inverse x by 2. Okay, so let me do something. And let me do something. disconnected.